Hello everybody, welcome back. So just a quick video about getting your car ready for winter. Something a lot of people probably overlook is replacing your windshield wiper fluid with a better, more cold resistant fluid. Now the reason I say a lot of people overlook this because usually when you get an oil change, they'll top off your fluid, but they're usually using the cheapest stuff. You'll notice that when you use your fluid, it's a little bit greasy on the windows. So it's a good idea when winter comes around just to use a better product. Now these don't necessarily have to break the bank. I went to Walmart today, picked up 2 gallons of this Rain-X, negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit window washer fluid for $1 each. 1 gallon for my car, 1 gallon for my wife's car. Now in a lot of modern vehicles, usually the only things that the dealer wants you to touch is labeled in yellow. If you have an older car, you'll find the window washer fluid has a symbol on it. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna drain out all your current fluid. So basically just run the window wipers and the washer fluid until it's empty. So you can see I've done that already. Pop open our little fill cap. Get our new fluid. Open that up. It's good to have a funnel handy. Stick it in there and just start filling. Most tanks will take the whole gallon. Now the reason why I say that this is important and often overlooked, other than the fact that you're usually never filling your own fluid, so they fill it for you in most places when you get an oil change, is that the cheaper fluid will sometimes freeze in the winter. Now in my area, we don't necessarily go down to negative 30 degrees, but every once in a while there's an Arctic chill. And I do remember one year I was running my car with the cheaper fluid in it, and you know, you have the snow and the slush and everything, you're driving along, it's kicking up into your windshield, and you're trying to clean off your windshield and you can't see anything because it kept constantly freezing over. Go out the funnel for now. So whenever I try to clean the windshield, it would just instantly freeze because it was using the cheap stuff. Or it wouldn't work at all because the fluid was frozen in the lines in the car itself. So what I had to do is I had to take a water bottle while I was driving, stick my arm out the window and try to squeeze some water onto the windshield to try to clean it off from all the slush and the road salt and everything. So just a little tip to stay safe out there. Make your winter driving a little bit easier. And there you go. Like I said, an empty tank of washer fluid will usually take about the whole gallon. And that's it. Keep yourself safe. Use a decent product. Now all we're gonna wanna do is run the car. Make sure we prime the lines. You see how it's slowing down a little bit?